everyone. If you are interested in cryptocurrency and want to get more information about cryptocurrency project, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. So today we'll bring a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is Ratic Finance. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video. Ratic Finance, guys, you can start stacking now. You can click here and see this page is open now. You can see this. So first of all, you can connect your wallet, then you can start stacking now. You can see this 3 days, 22 hours, 14 minutes remaining for start stacking now. And next we back to the home page, and next guys you can swap now. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this page is open. So first of all, you can connect your wallet, then you can select token, then you can swap now. And as guys, you can check also here Ratic Finance card detail. You can click here and see this page is open. So first of all, you can log in with email. You can enter your email address, then you can click this I have read and agree to Ratic, then you can proceed now. You can see this Ratic card detail, and next we back to the home page. And next guys, you can claim now. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this claim will be available in 2 days, 21 hours, 30 minutes remaining for this claim now. And next guys, you can buy now. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, it's take time, then you can see this your page is open. Guys, you can see this. You can buy now through Uniswap interface. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect polling wallet, Uniswap wallet, MetaMask wallet, connect Coinbase wallet. Then you can select token. You can click here and select token. For example, I select token Ethereum. Then you can enter your Ethereum amount. Then you can buy Ratic Finance token. If you swap Ratic Finance to Ethereum, then you can click here and enter your Ratic Finance amount. Then you can buy Ethereum, and next we back to the home page. And next you can check also here more detail about this project. Step into the future with Ratic Finance. Ratic Finance innovates in DeFi with its futuristic DeFi debit cards, smart crypto payment gateway, AI-powered peer-to-peer lending, and multi-chain, non-custodial, highly secured DeFi wallets, aiming to redefine global transactions. And next guys, you can check also here white paper, Reddit detail, how to buy. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this page is open now. Ratic Finance, you can see this how to buy Ratic, download and connect your wallet. You can see the wallet is accessible for download on Android, iOS or PC, and it's conveniently available on all major app stores. You can choose the connect icon, select the wallet you wish to link. Your wallet will then be promoted to authorize the connection. Once improved, your wallet will be successfully connected. Get some coin, buy Ratic. You can see this all day. We have discussed this how to buy Ratic Finance through Uniswap interface. And next we back to the home page. So guys, you can see this page is open. Next guys, you can check here featured in Yahoo. You can see this Bloomberg. You can see this AMB crypto, WBS, the times of and you can see bitcoin.com, the news crypto. You can see this entrepreneur, all is the featured in project. You can see this and next guy, you can see this Ratic Finance, Ratic DeFi crypto debit card, Ratic DeFi debit card redefine financial accessibility and security, offering anonymous transaction without the need for KYC, prioritizing user privacy. Ratic DeFi debit card offer a range of benefits including privacy, daily convenience, global accessibility, transaction efficiency, ATM accessibility, security, rewards program, airport, long access. So you can see this all detail guys. You can click here, then you can get a Ratic Finance card. You can see this card, you can see car holder name, you can see this all detail. Next you can see these rewards and tire system. Experience unprecedented reward with Ratic debit card or an embodiment of financial freedom. Within our tire system, silver, gold, and diamond, each transaction fuels your journey with increasing cashback benefits. Silver card holders receive 2.5% cashback, while gold offers 3.75%, and diamond leads with 5%. And as guys, you can check here silver 2.5% cashback, gold 3.75%, diamond 5%, card cost is diamond $99, gold card cost is $49, silver card cost is $10. And next guy, you can see this Ratic ecosystem, a comprehensive DeFi solution encompassing a non-custodial wallet, swap, aggregator, DeFi debit card, payment gateway, AI powered P2P lending, and perpetual futures and options trading for seamless crypto management. Guys, you can check here: DeFi debit card, payment gateway, DeFi wallet, swap aggregator, AI powered P2P lending, future futures and option. Guys, you can read carefully all it. Next, you can check here: real world crypto adoption. Ratic Finance is committed to bridging the gap between the crypto realm and real life utility. Our mission extend beyond digital transactions as we believe in bringing cryptocurrency to the forefront of everyday experience. We understand that true adoption goes beyond the virtual realm, and that's why we are pioneering real life integration like never before. And now guys, you can check here what is Ratic. Ratic stands as a dynamic DeFi token built up on the Ethereum mainnet, adhering to the ERC20 standard with a total supply of 1 billion. Ratic powers the Ratic finance ecosystem, driving decentralized transactions and fueling the innovative financial solutions that define our platform essence. And as guys, you can check here tokenomic ecosystem: 24% pre-sale, 40% marketing acquisition partnership, 4%, 3% partners and advisors, 6% team, 6% incentives, 5% cashback resort, 12% liquidity and listing. And next guys, you can check here, you can see total tokens, teams, you can see this all token meditate. Next you can check here token contract. You can see this contact address, you can see decimals 18, network, Ethereum chain, ERC20, token symbol, Ratic. You can see this. Next guys, you can join this Ratic family. You can join this project on following social media platform: Telegram, Twitter, YouTube, Medium, Reddit. So guys, we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can see this Ratic Finance official Twitter page is open. Ratic Finance is committed to bridging the gap between the crypto realm and real life utility. Guys, you can follow this and give information about this project and important updates. And next we go to this project Telegram group chat community. So guys, you can see the Ratic Finance 60,651 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group and give information about this project. And next we back to the home page. So guys, this website video is finished. If you all like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel